Several years ago, a colleague of mine, Roger Angel at the University of Arizona, and I, over lunch, were bemoaning some of the climate change problems, and Professor Angel had looked into some documents and papers written in the late 80s and got very intrigued about the idea that one way to mitigate climate change and global warming would be to give the Earth sunglasses, if you will, and there's an old idea to put a giant blocker at the Earth-Sun equilibrium point, the L1 or first Lagrange point. So we did some analysis, and it looked that as the technology marches along, this is a very interesting, albeit expensive and rather dramatic effort. We looked initially at using lunar material, which had been looked at in the past by Edward Teller and his colleagues at Livermore. That's one very promising approach. Another one is to develop very low-cost launch from the Earth. We've written a couple of papers on this. It's gotten quite a lot of attention, but I'm convinced it's the type of problem that having large-scale activities on the moon could address. And it's one of the messages we'd like to get across to the public is that space exploration isn't just about space. It potentially could address fixing some of the most fundamental problems on Earth.